morning, viewers. Welcome to the news. A quick look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauded all Indian athletes at Paris Olympics. Meghalaya Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister discuss Bangladesh situation with Union Home Minister. Health Minister launches IEC campaign on International Youth Day. Five arrested in Dhankheti incident forwarded to court. Harli Bagan village leader to attend Independence Day celebration in New Delhi. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that all athletes have given their best and every Indian is proud of them. In a post on X, Modi said, as the Paris Olympics conclude, he appreciates the efforts of the entire Indian contingent through the Games. Prime Minister also wished our sporting heroes the best for their upcoming endeavours. India ended at 71st position with 1 silver and 5 bronze medals after a total of 117 Indian athletes participated across 16 sports at the Paris Games. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister Preston Thinsong met with Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation Amit Shah today to address the impact of recent tensions in Bangladesh on India's northeast. The discussion, prompted by recent vandalism in Dhaka, focused on enhancing border security and ensuring resident safety.
In the review meeting, we have briefed the Honorable Home Minister that there was good work that is going on by the BSF and the Army, and very strict monitoring is being done currently by these two forces. And at the same time, the Meghalaya police also is on high alert. We also informed him that we have put night curfew all along the international border to further strengthen the overall security scenario in the border zone.
The state government has created a corpus fund of Rs 4 crore to assist broomstick farmers struggling with low market prices. Agriculture Minister Emperin Lingdo announced that the fund was created 3 months ago and encourages farmers to store their broomstick produce in warehouses rather than selling at low prices. Financial aid is available through the fund for those who apply, and several cases have already been processed. The government is also considering setting up processing centers in Amlarem, Pinursala and Mausanram to enhance the value of broomsticks.
We have already instituted a corpus fund of 4 crores rupees 3 months back, and there is a procedure for application of relief. It's a fund of relief, which means if farmers are requested to stock their produces in a warehouse and not sell while the rates of the broomstick is at its lowest. The interim period for the farmer between the cutting of the final produce to the sale in the market will be relieved, which means we give a monetary fund to the farmers.
On International Youth Day today, Health Minister Emperin Lingdo launched the intensified IEC campaign at Usosotham Auditorium, State Central Library. The campaign, spearheaded by the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society MAX, aims to enhance awareness about HIV and STIs across all districts, focusing on the youth. Lingdo highlighted the concerning number of over 400 children and infants suffering from HIV and AIDS and stressed the need for increased testing. The event, themed From Clicks to Progress, Youth Digital Pathways for Sustainable Development, was attended by Director of Health Services Dr. F. Vikhashing, Max Project Director Dr. De Cruz and local students.
I'd like to request our chief guest for the event.
Kisama jongkari kide kaborba nakabenta kalaway jongkari nakatakadaw kalong gabadon kampalan baki khun samla junishwa kisnotho shabhang kajingpang HIV AIDS kibriyo kiba im bat uni uknyang jingpang kidon lakahok palim nakalyang jong ka sarkar yapi ki badon kata ka challenge bapipang HIV AIDS lalipidi ki people living with HIV AIDS nakalyang ka sarkar ngin persyangkat bala.
East Khasi Hills District Superintendent of Police Sylvester Nongthanger reported that 5 individuals arrested for the petrol bomb attack on the J.N. Bowery statue in Dhankheti, Shillong, have been placed in judicial custody for 5 days. The attack, which occurred around 4 a.m. on Sunday, involved petrol bombs thrown at the statue, though it was only slightly damaged. The miscreants also targeted a nearby ATM booth with stones. An FIR has been filed at Limakra police station and the investigation is ongoing to determine the motive behind the attack.
After getting information, the police from Limakra police stations swung into action and sent a team immediately. So they have done all the investigation, this and that. And in this connection, 5 persons were arrested and have been produced court and also already sent to judicial custody. As per court order is 5 days. Since the case is still under investigation, and we'll see during the course of investigation, if any other, then definitely we'll take action promptly.
The Nativity High Secondary School Alumni Association, led by President Kin Pham Kharlingdo, visited star arm wrestler Banri Hunlingdo at her school in Maukirwat today. Barihun, a 16-year-old class 9 student, is set to compete in the World Arm Wrestling Championship 2024 in Moldova. The visit was attended by Dennis Nongsiet, District School Education Officer, school principal, teachers and students. The association congratulated Barihun on her achievements and provided financial support to aid her journey. Barihun expressed gratitude and hoped to bring pride to her school, state and country. Marilyn Nongrum, secretary of the Yakintheolang Self-Help Group SHG and Village Operation VO, Yas Noktilang from Harli Bagan village, was honored to be selected to attend the 78th Independence Day celebration in New Delhi. This milestone event is her first such experience, which she sees as a valuable opportunity to bring back new knowledge to her community. Nongrum's work includes organizing village cleanups, supporting the sick and implementing rainwater harvesting and kitchen gardens, all aimed at empowering local women and improving village life.
SSG member Judan ro ikanika meeting VO ha manla organize asench de yong bani long lang ya kan udan kata kajinya khandu lang para long kemi para kentei but ni ai ro yaki kajinya rap lada kidon kam ka independence day kamut kajing kot bor banle dala day claim kajing dan kam ni jing claim kajing dan kam kajing shania na kiwe ban yang hala ki kizat la day ban krishan dala day ya la day.
The Border Roads Organization BRO has successfully reconstructed the Indrani Bridge in Sikkim, reconnecting the northern region of the state to the rest of India after it was severely damaged by flash floods in October 2023. The project, led by the 764 Border Roads Task Force under Project Swastik, involved the construction of a 300-foot Bailey suspension bridge, following a joint survey with Garden Reach shipbuilders and engineers. This marks a significant step in Sikkim's recovery and future development. Members of the Bangladesh police have begun returning to their posts today following a week-long work abstention. The strike, which stemmed from attacks on police station and safety concerns after the fall of the Awami League-led government, ended after a meeting with interim government's Home Advisor Brigadier General retired M. Shekhawat Hossain. The meeting held at the Ministry of Home Affairs on Sunday led to assurances that several demands from the police would be addressed promptly, including changes to police uniforms and logos. The Home Advisor had previously warned that any police officers not returning to work by Thursday would be considered unwilling to continue. The El Elyon Institute in Nongpo hosted International Youth Day celebrations at the district library today. The event featured a debate competition, poetry recitation and a panel discussion on teenage pregnancy with students from various local schools participating. Attendees included Nongpo MLA Meryl Bonsiem, senior journalist Iban Kintiu Mauri and Education Secretary Toning Lapang. The institute awarded prizes and certificates to all participants to encourage their efforts. And now a look at the weather report. The maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius with a minimum temperature at 17.3 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 87%, remaining the same in the evening. The forecast, moderate rainfall and a thunder shower is very likely to occur at many places. Before we conclude, a quick look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauded all Indian athletes at Paris Olympics. Meghalaya Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister discussed Bangladesh situation with Union Home Minister. Health Minister launches IAC campaign on International Youth Day. Five arrested in Dhankheti incident forwarded to court. And Harli Bagan village leader to attend Independence Day celebration in New Delhi. With that, we come to the end of the news bulletin. Do join us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, good night.